Hello. I've been to Hudson Yards countless times. I've actually watched it from the inception where it was just a gigantic hole in the ground to watching the vessel get assembled and all the giant buildings as they are now. However, every time I go back, I wonder which building has what number and how do you find an address. In answer to that, I've produced a little video here, which I hope, if you've been there, helps you out. And if you've never been there and are trying to locate someone or something, at least this may help. Thank you. Our video is split into three major sections. First, we will try to define the boundaries of what exactly we mean by Hudson Yards. Once we do that, we'll show a little diagram of how to locate the addresses at Hudson Yards. And then the third and major part of the video is a walking tour of the super talls that comprise Hudson Yards. The blue box shown here encloses an area in which the city of New York in the early 2000s encouraged building of large structures. Taking advantage of that, Hudson Yards evolved in the red box. Hudson Yards will eventually double in size with another red box to the west of the current one, enclosing the area just south of Javits Center. Because of the pandemic, the expansion at the moment is on hold. We focus our attention on the red box, which for now is Hudson Yards. The box encloses the area between 34th Street and 30th Street, between 10th Avenue and 11th Avenue. Our walking tour will follow the letters A, B, C, D. We start at point A, which is around 34th Street and 10th Avenue, walk south to point B, which is around 30th Street and 10th Avenue, head west to point C, which is still 30th Street, but now we're at 11th Avenue, and then we end at point D, which is 34th Street and 11th Avenue. And this is the part that has been driving me bonkers. I kept reading in the news and other goodies online, etc., about the addresses at Hudson Yards. And I saw numbers like 10 Hudson Yards, 35 Hudson Yards. And I could not figure out which super tall was where. I could certainly see a lot of super tall buildings, but I could not connect them with the addresses. Finally, I studied it at length, and here it is. On 10th Avenue, the buildings are numbered 10, 30, 50, and on 11th Avenue, the super talls are numbered 15, 35, 55. Their locations are indicated on the map. And so here goes the tour as we see each of these super talls plus other areas in Hudson Yards.